Cooking with Dominick today. What are we making, bud?
Vegetables, asparagus, and salmon.
What?
And salmon.
Salmon. Sounds delicious. Looks like you're doing a good job. Let's get to it. Chef Dominick, what are we making today? We are making, that's right, salmon, asparagus, some yellow squash, and who knows what else.
Lighting it.
It's already lit, look.
Clean the top.
Season it. Well, we gotta put some oil on it, right? Right. Can you do the little flippy things like they do at the restaurant? You gonna work on it? No? That's this is what you doing. And then we gotta take the oil, and then you gotta spread the oil around here. And then you gotta take this. Be very careful because it's hot. Kids trying to do this. The veggies are on. We're getting ready to show Cooking with Dominick. I think that's just from the juice that we put down on it and apply the oil.
Mommy!
Yeah, I see.
How about the salmon? Oh, they look good.
We're gonna start a new episode next week. Cooking with Dominick. What should we make next week? So, we could do cooking, right? We could do breakfast episode. Oh yeah.
Eggs.
Yeah?
Scrambled
What do you guys think? Cooking with Dominick? You liked it? Like the idea? Let me know in the comments. We would definitely do it. It's always a good skill to learn. Why don't you guys leave some ideas in the comments too? We could make cupcakes or something one day, maybe brownies. So how we tell when asparagus is done?
When it's semi-soft.
When it's semi-soft? Is it semi-soft?
I don't know.
You don't know? Here, what can we do here? We try to cut it here. Oh, it cut pretty easy. The salmon. We got salmon here. How do we put salmon on?
Skin down.
Skin down for 10 minutes or so. So let's see what happens here.
What does it do to
We'll find out, I believe.
Does it fall off?
It does. Very good. Should be good to go.
Yes,
Just like you said it would. There you go. Skin coming right off of it, huh? So anything else you want to say today?
You should always do this with a grown-up.
That's a good point. Remember, safety first, guys. Safety first. Never do this without a grown-up or without permission of a grown-up. Always have a grown-up present, okay? Hopefully you enjoyed this. Look forward to doing some more, set up some ideas, and have a good one.